Welcome Priyanka's Home Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you Indian style chicken cutlet recipe. This is a great appetizer, and so let's start with ingredients. So here I have taken around 1 pound ground chicken, 1 medium sized finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1.5 tablespoons of grated garlic, around 2 tablespoons of finely chopped cilantro, 2 chopped green chilies, 1 well-beaten egg, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, salt to taste, and pinch of sugar to taste, but sugar is totally optional. If you don't like, you can skip it. Around 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to taste, enough breadcrumbs, and 2 eggs white. So at first I am going to marinate this chicken. So for that, at first adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and all dry spices. Now mixing very well. Okay, so my mixing is done, and now I'm going to leave it for about at least half an hour in refrigerator for marinating. And after half an hour I already took it out from the refrigerator, and now I'm going to cook this chicken. So for that, here I have taken 1.5 tablespoons of oil. So at first I'm going to add chopped onion, stirring, and I will fry it till it becomes transparent. So my onion became transparent. Now I am going to add grated ginger and grated garlic, stirring, and again I will fry it 2 to 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, now I am going to add this marinated chicken, mixing well. Okay, and now I will cook this chicken for 10 to 15 minutes at low to medium high temperature. And also stirring occasionally. And after frying for 5 minutes, if your chicken becomes too dry, you can sprinkle a little bit water and then again stir occasionally. And after 10 minutes, my chicken is done. So now I'm going to turn off the heat and take it out. And now this is too warm, so now I'm going to leave it to bring it at room temperature. So now my chicken is at room temperature. Now I am going to add this chopped cilantro, chopped green chilies, and 1 well-beaten egg. This egg for binding, well binding, and then I'm going to mix together very well. Next I'm going to add this breadcrumbs and again mixing. So after mixing egg and breadcrumbs, you can see that it is binding very well. And so now I'm going to make cutlet, and you can make any type shape. So here I'm taking this small portion and I'm going to make a oval shape like this. Okay, then pressing it. And now I'm going to dip it into this egg white and then coat it with this breadcrumbs. Coat it very well. Okay, now keep it in the plate. Again I'm going to make another one. Pressing lightly and making an oval shape. You can make normal round patties type shape, burger patties. Again dip it to this egg white and coat it with breadcrumbs. And keep it in plate. So here I have made total 7 cutlets, and now I am going to deep fry them. So for that, here I have taken enough oil and my oil is also heated. So put it gently. Okay. So you can see that they became nice browned, so they are ready. So friends, here is my chicken cutlet. It looks yummy, and I garnished it with tomato ketchup and cilantro. You can see this is kind of flour. Okay, and so enjoy and see you with my next recipe.